Okay, check it out. The latest penny stock warfare victim, LOCM. 2 for 2 on this one. Hoping to make it 3 for 3. Here's the breakdown. First of all, if you're new to Penny Stock Live, I issued a buy alert here at 363. Picked up more shares the day it ran, just before it ran, and this is what you call a short squeeze. Issued my sell signal here, took profit. It was a nice win for Penny Stock Live. Stock then pulled back. I figured that this was support before it ran again. I was looking for a continuation. Instead, there was a 3-day sell-off. Shorts took position and beat the stock back down, as well as profit takers like us from the first buy signal. So anyways, I picked up shares here for round 2. It pulled back. I held because I felt like it was definitely going back up prior to earnings. It did. Ended up taking a nice profit on it in through here, and that made it 2 for 2 on LCOM. Did not hold through earnings. You can see the day before earnings here. You can see the gap down and then the sell-off on the poor earnings. And then you can see the stocks start to trickle and the bull-bear battle. Now, what has caught my eye and the reason I picked up shares on Friday is because the buyers started to take control of the stock, and I'm looking for that to continue like it did up through here. The reported short interest on the stock right now, let me pull up NASDAQtrader.com, is 3.64 days to cover. My guess is it's actually larger than that. The last settlement date was April 15th, 2011, so that would be here. Okay, I'm guessing a lot of shorts picked up position prior to earnings and possibly this day here on earnings or the day after earnings, and probably in through here too. I'm guessing some shorts are probably looking for it to break support at 360 to 350 and play it down to 320. So I'm gambling that they're wrong. What I'm looking for is run up like this, and I'm looking for 10 to 15% on this one. Obviously, there's plenty of profit opportunity between here and the gap down day. Stocks like to, push back through gaps generally, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it go through there if it starts to pick up some momentum in the gap range. So we'll play it by ear, but I'm in for 5,000 shares at 361, picked it up late in the session on Friday. Did not issue a buy alert only because I didn't see the stock going anywhere in the short term, and I had already issued several alerts that day. I don't want to spam your guys' inbox. But this is one that I'll be riding as a short-term trade. I think it could be good over the next week or two for sure. That's my take. If it dips through support at 360, then I'll be looking to gobble up a position here at 320 if it dips through. So I'll average down on this one. I've got some confidence that LOCM will work its way back up. The forward-looking sentiment on the company was good, despite earnings from the past being bad, which causes a sell-off. The forward-looking statements were good. So, everybody shakes it out, and anybody looking toward the future is looking to buy shares at a bargain, and I think 360 is the bargain price. We'll see how that plays for us. Again, 5,000 shares on Friday at 361. I'll look to add more if it starts to work its way up. Increase my position anticipating another short squeeze. You can see that the stock has the ability to move very quickly, if it gets the right type of news. So this is a potential buyout company. They have a huge space and they have a huge footprint. So, it is just rumor, yeah, but could they be bought out? Absolutely. This is a very cheap price for a company with as big a footprint as they have, and I think a company like Groupon could come in and buy them out. That's for sure. So we'll see how that works. Again, that's just speculation. You can see that the company was at $7 a share just recently. So this is a good value for a bigger company who would like to take that footprint over. All right, take it easy, everybody.